Hey, okay, just want to shoot just a quick update on the Phaeton. Um, the latest chronicles I had to deal with and kind of resolve was emissions, and I actually passed my emissions test, and I did it the right way this time. Pretty much these lines right here, and let me just see if I can highlight it. See if I can get like a little highlight. Let me make sure the lights don't go off on us. Okay, perfect. All right, this line with the golden tab, and that's just a little this is a little junction I bought off of Amazon. And there's another line that's going this one that's going down, and this one right here is going towards the combination valve in the front. This one actually goes to a this one that's going down actually goes to a another solenoid that I found out the hard way. And to get to the solenoid, I'm not gonna take it apart again, but as you can see down there, you just take off the splash shield up front. Well, I didn't take it off, I just moved it out the way. And pretty much you get straight ahead. It'll be in there. You'll have to search a little bit, but you'll see it. And literally the line was broken. So what I did was got some more line, of course. And I made it, I guess, fixed it. Both sides were broken. One side was broken off completely, and it was just due to heat and basically 20-year-old rubber lines. I forgive it. So just put some new rubber line on it, and then made a junction, put another junction. Then the other side I made a junction and put a rubber line on it just to make sure it doesn't have any stress. And that kind of fits the problem. But as you're having codes that you think your combination valve is bad, most of the time they don't go bad on these. So I just finally decided to just trace it because I got tired of it, and I took care of that. So other updates on this thing, let's see here. Oh yeah, found these. I think I found these on Rock Auto. Yeah, OEM-ish looking hood struts and trunk struts in the silver color. I just wanted the silver color for some reason, but it's kind of cool. You see my hole from the master cylinder replacement. Yeah, I'm gonna plug something in that hole. But yeah, that's the easiest way to replace that, by the way. I know it looks kind of ugly, but yeah, that's about the best way you're gonna get it to replace the master cylinder. And that has been phenomenal. The brakes actually feel a lot better too, so I guess it's a benefit. So next, yeah, let's see here, other updates. Oh yeah, I forgot. These lines up front, it actually is working just fine. Was it oil separator, whatever you want to call it? But yeah, you just gotta make sure you cannot have a kink in them, otherwise they'll trigger a check engine light. So no kinks, no problems. That's how you live. So I got it to bend like that, but no kinks, so no check engine lights, no problems. So I'm leaving it as it is. The rest of the lines are pretty cool, and this was my final line that decided to break. So I just replaced it with a rubber hose, and it's fine. So yeah, I finally got rid of all that was that's the lone wolf right there. That's decided to last. So that's that. As far as anything else with this, nothing much really. Just wanted to give an update on this. I'm starting to drive it regularly now, so I had it for sale, but after a while, nobody being serious, I decided to just dig further deep and just keep everybody updated. So I will put this video out on YouTube just to keep everybody updated. But I do say to get these, it's on what you call it. I got it on Rock Auto. So Rock Auto is pretty awesome for this, and I got the ones for the trunk too. So let me open the trunk. Left my keys in the ignition. Yep. See? Yeah. So yeah, these actually does well because it helps the trunk just push up that little bit. So yeah, it looks nice. Wanted to keep the theme of the car. I'm not much of a OEM guy. I like aftermarket stuff, but these are actually pretty nice. So I just wanted to keep the aesthetic of that at least. So yeah, that's about it. So oh yeah, I forgot. It's one mod I wish I can do. I wish I can do it like my old Mercedes and just close it from the door, but I don't think you can. But still works. So proud of that. So that's about it. Anything else new I will record and I will give an update, but that's about it for now. So pretty much emissions are good, and I will see what I'll do with this thing.